Hey there, curious minds. Have you ever wondered how fast neural networks should learn? Let's break it down in simple terms. When training a neural network, it's important to find the right balance between learning too quickly and too slowly. If a network learns too fast, it may struggle to generalize and make accurate predictions on new data. On the other hand, if it learns too slowly, it may take longer to reach optimal performance. Main story point 1. To determine the ideal learning rate for a neural network, researchers often use techniques like learning rate schedules and adaptive learning rates. These methods help adjust the learning rate during training to ensure the network learns effectively and efficiently. Main story point 2. Another key factor in determining how fast a neural network should learn is the complexity of the data being processed. More complex data may require a slower learning rate to prevent overfitting and improve generalization. So, the next time you're training a neural network, remember to consider the ideal learning rate for optimal performance. Happy learning! Uplifting ending sentence. Keep exploring the fascinating world of neural networks, and remember, a little patience goes a long way in achieving success. Cheers to learning at the right speed. Hey there, beautiful souls. Are you ready to boost your confidence and take control of your future? Well, I've got just the thing for you: blockchain technology. You see, blockchain technology isn't just about cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. It's a revolutionary tool that can empower you in so many ways. For starters, blockchain provides unparalleled security and transparency, giving you the peace of mind to pursue your dreams without fear of fraud or hacking. But that's not all. Blockchain also opens up a world of opportunities for you to showcase your skills and talents. Whether you're an artist, writer, or entrepreneur, blockchain technology can help you protect your work, connect with clients, and even earn passive income through tokenization. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the power of blockchain technology and watch your confidence soar to new heights. Believe in yourself, trust in the technology, and let nothing hold you back. The future is bright, my friends. Uplifting ending sentence. Remember, with blockchain technology.
Hey there, fellow creators. Today, let's talk about 5 reasons why routine is key for successful 3D printing. Firstly, routine helps you stay organized. By setting a schedule for your 3D printing projects, you can effectively manage your time and resources to ensure smooth production. Secondly, routine builds consistency. By practicing the same techniques and settings regularly, you can perfect your skills and create high-quality prints every time. In conclusion, establishing a routine for your 3D printing endeavors can lead to increased efficiency, improved quality, and ultimately, greater success in your projects. So, don't underestimate the power of routine in the world of 3D printing. Keep at it, stay consistent, and watch your creations come to life like never before. Remember, routine is key for successful 3D printing. Happy printing, everyone!
Hey there. Are you ready to take your virtual reality experience to the next level? Today, I'm going to share with you 5 tips for explosive growth in the world of VR. First tip: invest in quality equipment. A high-quality VR headset and controllers can make a huge difference in your overall experience. Make sure to do your research and find the best gear for your needs. Second tip: explore new experiences. Don't be afraid to try out different games and simulations in VR. The more you explore, the more you'll learn and grow as a VR user. So there you have it, 5 tips for explosive growth in virtual reality. Remember, The key to success in VR is to stay curious, keep experimenting, and never stop learning. Uplifting ending sentence. Get out there and let your imagination run wild in the world of virtual reality. See you in the virtual world.
Hey there, friends. Today, we are going to dive into the fascinating topic of how success can truly transform your life. Whether it's reaching a personal goal or achieving a major milestone, success has a way of reshaping our entire existence. One surprising way success can transform your life is by boosting your self-confidence. When you achieve something great, you start to believe in yourself more, paving the way for even greater successes in the future. Another incredible transformation that comes with success is the ability to inspire others. Your achievements can motivate those around you to reach for their own dreams, creating a ripple effect of positivity and empowerment. So, embrace the power of success and watch as it transforms not only your life but the lives of those around you. Remember, you have the potential to achieve anything you set your mind to. Uplifting ending sentence. Here's to the transformative power of success. May it bring you joy, fulfillment, and endless possibilities. Cheers to your journey ahead. Glowing star.